Today we'll be making semolina or Suji fruit cake. These are really tasty, can be made very easily, that too without oven. In fact, I am showing the one which I have made in a kadhai, or you can say a saucepan, and believe me, it tastes very nice, very awesome. And those who have some restrictions on carbs, they can really try this Suji or semolina cake and they will love it. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much, for liking my video, and I hope we'll continue this journey together. So let's get started with this awesome Suji cake or fruit cake. For that I have taken a curd around half cup. It's homemade curd. You can also take the one from market, but make sure the curd should be fresh. Then I'll add here sugar around 1 cup and 1/4 more. You can decrease the amount of sugar or increase according to your wish, but this measurement stands perfect for me. Melted butter or oil I have used here around half cup. Then goes my favorite candied fruits. I have taken here half cup of candied fruits. If you do not have candied fruits, you can also use tutti frutti at this stage, around 2 tablespoons. But I had candied fruits and I love the flavors of these candied fruits, and there are so many fruits here, so I have used that. Milk I have taken here half cup. So we need to mix all these ingredients now: milk, curd and my oil or butter as per your wish. I have used your oil. So as you mix it, you will see it has turned a slight creamy consistency in this way. So this should be the consistency after mixing for 1 to 2 minutes. The sugar has already melted. So now I'll add fine Suji or semolina around 1.5 cups. If you do not have the fine one, you can take the regular one. Just grind it in the mixer grinder to make a fine powder. That will also work. Now we'll mix all these ingredients and let this semolina or Suji soak in this mixture of curd and oil and milk for around 20 minutes. So that the Suji will soak all those in liquid ingredients and it will be make a nice base for a cake. So after 20 minutes, my Suji looks good now. Semolina has absorbed all the liquid and it has become nice and soft. So just give it a nice mix here. Now we need to add some dry ingredients at this stage. So I'll again use a sieve here, and to it I'll add around half cup of all-purpose flour or maida, which will bind our cake, and then baking powder around 1 teaspoon, and baking soda I'll add around half teaspoon. Now just sieve these 3 into the mixture. This looks good now. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of salt and milk around 1/4 cup. So total milk I have used here around 3/4 cup. Vanilla essence goes here 1 teaspoon. Half cup milk I had used to soak the semolina or Suji, and again to make the batter into a nice consistency, smooth consistency, I have used 1/4 more cup of milk. So you can adjust according to your wish, but this measurement holds good and the cake turns out really yum. Just mix it, and this batter should be the texture of a pouring consistency, like we have the cake, normal cake batter. It should be smooth and silky. My batter looks good here. Now I have taken a non-stick kadhai here, flat base, heavy base kadhai. I will grease the kadhai and I'll add butter paper or parchment paper. I just couldn't record it, but make sure you put a butter paper. Then goes my batter, and on top of it I'll add some candied fruit again, and if you don't have candied fruit, you can always add tutti frutti. Now I'll bake this cake at the lowest flame for around 45 to 50 minutes. If you are using an oven, preheat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes and then bake for around 45 to 50 minutes. So after 45 minutes here, my cake looks good here. It's nicely baked and my skewers or tutti comes out clear here. So my cake is done here. Just remove from heat and I'll let it cool, and then I'll cut it and show you how yummy and beautiful my cake is baked. So I have used a plate here. I'll just turn it upside down, and then I'll remove the butter paper, and then again I'll use a plate, final one, so that the top portion comes up. And now I'll cut the pieces. My cake looks so savory. and the pieces comes out nice and smooth here, as you can see. Wow, this looks really great, and the taste is awesome. As you can see, it's very nicely baked here. It's fluffy and it's smooth. I'll just show you how soft it is. See, it has a beautiful texture and it's super soft. As I said, the taste was also very good. Do give it a try. You will love this recipe. As I said, it is a very life-saving recipe, and sometimes we do not have all-purpose flour, and this also works good and good for anyone who watches carbs. I hope you have liked the video. Do give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to share with family and friends. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.